Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create a Gmail alias in Google Workspace so you can send and receive emails from different addresses without creating a new account. So the first thing that you will have to do is log into your Google Workspace account and head over to admin console. And after you click that, you will basically see this interface. So what you will have to do is click users. And after you click users, you will see add a user. So what you will or select a user. So it should be right here, somewhere right here. So what you will have to do once you see select a user, if you already have your user, then you will just have to click add alias, and then you will enter the new email alias, and then save changes, and the alias will now receive emails at the new address. And by the way, to send as alias, you will just have to go to your Gmail settings, and then you will go to your accounts and then click send mail as, and then add another email address. And by the way, you could also create multiple aliases per user without any extra costs. So yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.